Welcome to our discussion on what makes a great leader in 2026. We'll explore the evolving mindset, behaviors, and courage required to meet today's rapid changes. In today's world, AI disruption and generational shifts demand new leadership. The old playbook is now a liability. Leaders in 2026 thrive in complexity, turning ambiguity into opportunity. Uncertainty is constant, making empathy crucial for retention and culture. Effective decisions require trust, not control, happening closest to the problem. Effective leaders possess self-awareness, recognizing blind spots and adapting through feedback. They practice deep listening, ensuring others feel valued. Decisive courage allows them to act on imperfect information, maintaining momentum. Lastly, adaptive resilience enables leaders to grow intentionally, demonstrating how to fail gracefully and bounce forward. Google's Project Aristotle revealed that psychological safety is the top predictor of team performance. It enables teams to address issues early, experiment boldly, and maintain trust under pressure. When honesty is encouraged, the organization benefits from collective intelligence, surpassing individual capabilities. Leaders in 2026 will excel by confidently integrating artificial intelligence tools, amplifying human judgment, and anchoring creativity, empathy, and ethics. Success lies in discerning where artificial intelligence excels and where human wisdom remains irreplaceable. This balance is a crucial leadership skill. Compensation is important, but true retention in 2026 hinges on meaningful work. Great leaders craft compelling narratives that inspire participation. Mission clarity provides a lasting why, while visible impact links daily tasks to significant outcomes. Growth is achieved by investing in people, not just utilizing them. Leadership is a daily practice, not just a title. Audit yourself to strengthen a leadership habit this quarter. Create space by listening more in meetings. Encourage growth by challenging someone beyond their comfort zone. Remember, leadership aims to produce more leaders, as Ralph Nader wisely noted.